Okay, so here it is, January the 14th, and I am doing an unboxing here. Unboxing of the very first book I've ever written, called Launch Your Kid. Just arrived today. It's launching globally next week. So here it is. Wow, that's my name. That's my photo. And this book was just an idea a year ago. And the first word was written about 51 weeks ago. So here it is. And my dedication to Caitlin and Connor, who teach me the most valuable lessons. I will say this was one of the hardest parts of the entire book to write. Very exciting. I can't believe it. Buy your copy today, everyone. Launch Your Kid.